Very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online teaching of science. Students, we were there in the chapter number 13, Fun with Magnet, and on the page number 127. In our previous video, we have completed the activity 1. So today we will start from the activity 2. And what was that? The magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic means the things that are getting attached with the magnet, and non-magnetic the things that are not getting attached towards the magnet. Let's start the activity 2. Let us walk in the footstep of manganese. Only this time we will change the position of the magnet and the iron. See what they are telling, that the manganese. What was the manganese? The manganese was a shepherd and having the stick, and in that stick the iron was there on the last end of the stick, right? So this time what we will do, we will change the position of the magnet and the iron in the stick. There will be a magnet at the end of our shepherd stick. At that time in the chapter, in the shepherd stick, iron was there. Now we will make another stick, and in that we will attach a magnet. We can attach a small magnet to a hockey stick, walking stick, or a cricket wicket with a tap of or some glue. See what they are telling, that this time what we have to do, we have to attach a magnet at the end of the stick. How we will attach that stick? With the glue or with the tap. Let us now go out on a manganese walk. See what they are telling, that let us now go out for a manganese walk. Though the school playground, what does our manganese stick pick up from the school ground? What about the object in the classroom? See what they are telling, that let us move to the school playground, school ground, and see what object we will get from the ground and the object from the classroom. That both we have to see. Collect various objects of day-to-day use from your surroundings. Test this with the magnet stick. You can also take a magnet, touch the object with it, and observe which object sticks to the magnet. See what they are telling, that now take the magnet and see whether which one of the object you have collected is sticking to the magnet or not. Prepare a table in your notebook as shown in the table 13.1 and record your observation. See 13.1, here we are having a table. What was there in that table? Find the object attracted by magnet. Name of the object is here. First one is the iron ball, second one is a scale and a shoe. The material which the object is made up of. Okay, so what are the materials? Here we have collected is made up of, that we have to write. Whether it's made up of iron, then we have to write iron. Scale, it's made up of plastic, so plastic. Shoe is made up of with a leather, so leather is written there. Now in the third column, what we have to find, attracted by manganese stick or a magnet. Okay, yes or no we have to say. See, iron is having the principle that always attract to the magnet, so iron will attract to the magnet, so we are writing a yes. Next one is scale. So scale is made up of plastic, so scale will not attract towards the magnet, so no. And the last one is shoe. It's made up of a leather, so leather will not attract towards the magnet, so again his last answer is no. Okay, so these things we have to find. Look at the last column of the table 13.1 and note the object that are attracted by a magnet. See, here we have to write whether the object is attracted by the magnet or not. Already I have explained you that. Now make a list of material from which those objects are made. See, lastly what you have to do, you have to make the list of the material from which the objects are made. Whether it's made up of plastic, then write a plastic. Whether it's iron iron thing, then write an iron. Okay, is there any material common in all the objects that were attracted by the magnet? See what they are telling, that after that writing all of the list of the object, now you have to see whether any of the material is common, is getting attracted towards the magnet or not. That we have to check. So students, it's your homework that you just make a table in your rough book and write the things with the object is made up of, okay, like this, iron, plastic, leather, and a name over here, and whether you have to check whether it's getting attract towards the magnet or not. So this is your homework, you have to do it at home. So students, we'll do one thing, the remaining portion from here we will continue in our next video, okay. So that's all for the day, students. Have a wonderful day.